Okay, good afternoon all of you and Shubho Vijay all of you. I hope all you are enjoyed puja vacation safely. Okay, during the puja vacation all of you stayed at your home or anyone go any outside. Yes, Shubho Vijay all of you. Okay, Shuhid. Yes, Vivek, very good. So you enjoyed very much. Okay. Okay, so today I discuss some MCQ. Okay. Uh, Today I will revise the first two chapters and we will practice some MCQ. I ask the question and you give the answer. Okay. So let's start. Write down the questions. Bigha and Guintha are. Bigha and Guintha are. Guintha, Bigha and Guintha are. Option A, the type of village house. The type of village house. Option B, the type of hybrid seed. Bigha, Bigha, Bigha and Guintha, Guintha, Guintha are. Option A, the type of village house. B, the type of hybrid seeds. Option C, the measuring unit of grain. Option C, the measuring unit of grain. Option D, the measuring units of land area in village. Option D, the measuring units of land area in village. Yes, very good Ridhita. It will be option D. It will be option D. Write down the next question. Very good all of you. Okay. Write down finance raised to operate a business is called finance raised to operate a business is called finance raised to operate a business is called option A labor, B enterprise, A yes raised to operate a business is called labor, A labor, B enterprise, C land, D capital. C land, D capital. B. You want to say enterprise. Vivek, D. Yes, Vivek, very good. It will be D. Because when we set up any business or raise any business or set up any business, we need the Finance, that means we need the capital, we need the money. Money is the example of the capital. So option Riddhita, it will be D. Yes, very good. Okay, now number 3. The small farmers constitute about dash percent of total farmers in India. The small farmers constitute about dash percent of total farmers in India. Option A 50, B 60, C 70, D 80. 50, 60, 70, 80. The small farmers constitute about dash percent of total farmers in India. %, D. Because in India, maximum of the farmers are the small farmers, 80%. Yes, Sneha, Priya, yes. Very good, all of you. Now the next question. Scope of farming. Write down all of these questions, answer also, okay? Because now your exam based on the MCQs. So read properly. Scope of farming activity is limited in Palampur. Scope of farming activity is limited in Palampur due to. Scope of farming activity is limited in Palampur due to option A, fixed amount of land, B, lack of irrigation, C, lack of labor, D, none of these. Scope of farming activity is limited in Palampur due to fixed amount of land, lack of irrigation, lack of labor, none of these. Yes, very good, Riddhita. It will be option A, fixed amount of land. Ornesha also, correct. Yes, all of you are the correct. Now write down the next question. Who is a person who puts together land, labor and capital? Who is a person who puts together land, labor and capital? Who is a person who puts together land, labor and capital? Write down the option. Moneylender, A, moneylender, B, entrepreneur, B, entrepreneur, C, jamindar, D, manager. A, moneylender, B, entrepreneur, C, jamindar, D, manager. No, not C. Yes, Anisha, it will be entrepreneur. See, when you set up any farm, any business, you need the land because for make the buildings or industry, and you need the labor for your farming activity or whatever activities, and also you need, first of all, you need the capital for buying land, buying machineries, making buildings. So it will be the organizer or entrepreneur. Entrepreneur who take all the decision and who set up one industry or farm or business. They needed these three things. The spelling of entrepreneur is ENTRPRENEUR. NEUR. Anisha, you are correct. Entrepreneur. Or the pronunciation of this, the entrepreneur. Yes, I repeat the question. Who is a person who puts together land, labor and capital? Who is a person who put together land, labor and capital? Okay. Write down the next question. Village Palampur is well connected with. Village Palampur is well connected with. Option A, villages. Option B, towns. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The question is, village Palampur is well connected with. Village Palampur is well connected with. Option A, villages. Option B, towns. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. Yes, very good all of you. It will be option C. Because we read this one, village Palampur well connected with the towns and villages also. Okay, now next question. What is the total number of families? What is the total number of families living in the village Palampur? What is the total number of families living in the village Palampur? Option A 300, option B 450, option C 250, option D none of these. 300, 450, 250, none of these. Yes, Uttam, very good. It will be 450. Yes, very good all of you. Write on the next question. Who had opened a computer class in the village Palampur? Who? Options are Shuit 300, 450, 250 and none of these. 300, 450, 250, none of these. Okay? Next question, write down. Who had opened a computer class in the village Palampur? Who had opened a computer class in the village Palampur? Write down the option A, Kasim, B, Karim, C, Kabir, D, none of these. Kasim, Karim, Kabir, none of these. Yes, Anisha, very good. It will be Karim. Very good, Karim. Yes, all of you are correct. Okay, next. How is employment structure? How is employment structure characterized in the primary sector? How is employment structure characterized in the primary sector? How is employment structure characterized in the primary sector? Option A, self-employment. Option A, self-employment. B, self-empowerment. Self-empowerment. Option C, self-realization. Option D, both B and C. Self-employment, self-empowerment, self-realization, both A and B. B and C. No. Sneha, Spriha, no. See, just see the question. How is employment structure is characterized in the primary sector? Primary sector means what? Yes, Riddhita, very good. It will be A. Self-employment. Yes, very good. Okay, listen. Primary sector includes farming activity, agriculture activity, forestry, these are. So farming, agriculture, these are the self-employed activities, right? So obviously employment structure is self-employment. There is no organization who appointed any person to cultivate any particular grain. So it will be option A. Yes, very good. Yes, Vivek, the answer will be 450 families. Total number of families in village Palampur is 450 families. Write down the next question. Vilas was suffering from. Third option of question 8 is Kabir. Kabir, but answer will be option B, Karim. Vilas was suffering from option A, cold, B, arthritis, C, beriberi, D, cancer. Vilas was suffering from A, cold, B, arthritis, C, beriberi, D, cancer. Vilas, Vilas, Riddhita, Vilas. Vilas was suffering from. Yes, Raima, very good. Arthritis. It will be arthritis. Option B. Vilas was suffering from A, cold, B, arthritis, C, beriberi, D, cancer. Now write down the next question. What is the full form of IMR? I will not give the option. You tell me the answer. What is the full form of IMR? Full form of IMR. Very good. Infant mortality rate. What is the full form of HIV? Yes, HIV. What is the full form of HIV? HYV. High yielding seeds. HYV. What is? Yes, high yielding varieties. Yes, very good, all of you. Now write down the next question. Education contributes to the A, growth of fruits, B, growth of vegetables, C, both A and B, A, growth of foods, B, growth of vegetables, C, both A and B, D, growth of a society, D, growth of a society. Very good. D, Anisha. Yes. Ridhita, very good. Okay, tell me the answer of this question. Options are options, just this one is only one question. Growth of fruit, growth of vegetables, both A and B, growth of society. Yes. Okay, tell me the occupation of a fisherman comes under which sector? The occupation of a fisherman comes under, yes, very good, Ridhita, primary sector. Yes, all of you are the correct. Okay, read all these 3 chapters. Only you have the 3 chapters from economics. So we discuss another more MCQ from these all 3 chapters. So students, any queries? So for today I will end up here. Next day I will continue this class. Okay students, all of you, thank you and bye.